What's up, YouTube? It's Louis here. I hope you're all well. We're taking a look at Bitcoin, and unfortunately, look at that nasty wick. So, what we really needed to see yesterday was a close above that wick, and at the moment we were making the video, we were up there, but it was not the daily close, so we couldn't make a pre-judgment. We have to wait for the daily close and react to that. And with the daily close, you unfortunately closed below this resistance as well as the 69 EMA. Look at these exact touches on the 69 EMA. So that's nice to see, because it means that this EMA is valid. There's multiple touches, exact rejections, as you can see. So that's what needed to be shown on the chart. It needed to be shown just like this candle where we were above the 55. So we need to close back under it. We need to show the reaction, because this is a strong EMA. This is the only thing left that the bears can cling on to before we actually start pumping. So what's going to happen now is as an expected dump, basically, because of this signal. This here is a shooting star, a bearish reversal signal, because we start coming up. Now it's going to reverse it back downwards, and we can see, yes, we made a higher high with the wick, and we actually made a higher high with the body. So technically this could be just the top of the wave. We're coming back down, but of course you haven't closed above this, so technically this still could be a double top that we've been talking about on the channel for the last few days. Been preparing you, because although we had this bullish target and we broke out the ascending triangle, we always look at this two ways, and I've always prepared you for this M pattern and this much larger one that could be forming. So if you appreciate that, even though we have bullish targets and we broke out and we had validated the pattern by breaking out here, closing above, and we were going up to the target, which was valid. But now at the moment, although we have not actually closed below the purple line as of yet, can you see we haven't closed below, but right now we are under. So we need to actually see a reaction from here. So we could start wicking up. Let's see if the daily close is green. We're going to come back down to try and test these EMAs, all these EMAs here. So the orange one is the 55 daily. So that should get a reaction, unless this is a fake out, right? So then we should expect the 20 EMA, the purple one, to get respected. These will all create short-term reactions that could become long-term. But in the short term, you just say, yeah, we're going to get a bounce from here. Then the next, we need to attack this purple line again, could get rejected again, come down. Then we're going to get a reaction from here. Is it going to break above this like this, or we're going to get rejected and lose this? So everything here is step by step as the days goes by. So, but a lot will happen in this one candle today, because it looks like we're trying to close below. Well, at the moment we are below this. So all the people are thinking, yes, this is a break back under the ascending triangle, but currently at the moment we haven't invalidated this technical target. Although this is a very negative pattern, right now you have not invalidated 26k, but we are prepared. If we do close below the purple, that means we're more than likely going to try and retrace to the low. Basically what it's going to try and do is come back to that low, but maybe the EMAs will hold it up. One of them push it back up. This is what we want to see for the continuation, to continue to this target, even if at the moment we're coming back under, meaning that this move was a fake out. As long as you hold this low, you have eventually another chance at it, and if we can break above it, confirm its support, we will try and attack this and head to our target afterwards, like that, something like this. Okay, but of course, if all of these supports fail and we come down and we lose this wick, you're going to validate this M pattern we've been talking about, coming back down to this low over here. That would be your target. And then you can see that's a much larger M pattern over here. So the bears, this is what the bears are going to constantly be saying. However, if we don't manage to break that low, you could see if we were to come down to it and you fail to break and you start heading back up, that could look like a massive W pattern. Of course, also could be an M pattern if it breaks the neckline. But even if it looks like an M pattern like this and you're over here, it's not an M pattern until you lose that wick. Only once you lose that wick, then you're going down. And remember, the level that you should have on your charts marked down or in your notes is 18.6k. If we lose 18.6k, this wick over here, then yeah, we're guaranteed going to make a lower low, 100%, and we're going to roll over. And the bear saying that this was a rising wedge and a bear flag as well, bearish continuation like this, exactly like this, then yeah, I'll call that out for you. But at the moment, all you're doing is rejecting the 69, which is the last barrier, until we start trying to head to this 200. But it will take a while to get out of there. We do have a key resistance here, 27k, 27.7k, as well as the target. Once you get to this target, it's going to chill out. Everyone's saying that you're going to get a big reaction from this wick, right? I'm not too sure we will. It's going to obviously in the short term, but I don't think it's going to. Yeah, I might be wrong. We need to take it step by step. So of course that is a resistance going forward, 25 to 25.5k. But yeah, I'm more focused on this 27 because we do have an ascending triangle target. If we do come up to this like this and then get rejected and then we fall back under the neckline, then yeah, that brings more validity. But yeah, if we just hit this wick over here and just come back to the ascending triangle support, then the resistance now support, then we will still just continue up. So everything step by step. You know, at the moment though, we have to go off yesterday's candle, the confirmation that's saying that we want to go down, just like what we saw over here with these candles and here. So now it's going to try and make the lower low. We need to see if it's going to do so. So I'm telling you that this is the low that we want to hold. If you want to do something like this, have another go at going up. And this could be just a small neckline of a new double bottom over here, potentially. But again, if you lose this, then it means in the short term, we're not going up. In the short term, we're going down, at least to here. Then from here, this is the golden pocket. So we had this fib retracement, we came down and retraced into this golden pocket. So what should happen is you make a lower low. You did not do that. You made this double bottom and you broke above it and you confirmed it as support, creating the reversal wave. So as long as we're above this gold box, we should keep seeing higher highs and higher lows. And all this is at the moment is us running into some key resistance and us having to get a reaction. Even if you're bullish, you have to realize you have to get a reaction from resistance. It's actually bad if we break it on the first attempt. We want to see it touch, come back, like refuel the rockets, and then continue. That's what we want to see. But of course, preparing for the bearish scenario. So if we do lose this, we know, okay, there's a short opportunity there. Take it to here or here. Then if we do lose this area here, another short opportunity minimum to here. So as simple as that, step by step. And you just trade the confirmation, the daily close, if you want to do it on the daily time frame, which is how I prefer, because I don't like staring at the charts all day. I just do it for you guys, basically. And then I come back the next day and do it for you guys, come back the next day and do it for you guys. I'm not too fussed about what goes on with the crypto prices at the moment. I'm accumulating I've been accumulating in this whole area, so whatever happens, I'm happy. And if we do take out this, then I'm more than happy to sell more. But I'm not seeing that at the moment. And again, we created the reversal wave. You see, from the top to the bottom, you can see this was the golden pocket. We broke above it, confirmed its support. So we should be heading to these one targets. You just need to hold above this, basically, this low. So that's it. Please like, please subscribe and comment. And yeah, check out the memberships. And if you enjoyed the video, support the channel by sending in a super thanks. If you're interested in the education, I do also have that. Get the course before and the mentorship. I've got 2 slots. Once those 2 slots go, my prices will increase to what they used to be. So just get back to me as soon as possible if you're interested in the mentorship or the course. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.